Tonight we have important news to share about your cell phone. A new study shows that using your cell phone in certain areas can increase your exposure to radiation by 10,000 times.
So tonight, our senior investigative reporter Bob Siegel is here to explain when you could be more at risk when you use your phone, and also the key tips to limit your exposure.
Our cell phones constantly give off low levels of microwave radiation. A new study made public this week suggests the radiation levels you're exposed to might be dramatically higher depending on where you're using your cell phone. The study says using cell phones in areas with weak reception can result in microwave radiation emissions 10,000 times more intense than in areas with strong reception. So keeping an eye on those bars on your phone could be very important. The study was conducted by scientists at the California Department of Public Health and is being published in the journal Environmental Research. Some public health officials say the study is important not only for families who live in rural areas where there might be limited reception, but also for people who live and work in urban areas too.
With a weak signal, what happens is your phone puts out a lot more radiation to make the connection with the cell tower. So this would strongly urge people that people should not use cell phones in elevators or moving vehicles or on public transit where the signal is likely to be very weak. Because not only are you exposing yourself to very high levels of cell phone radiation, you're exposing all those people near you.
There is debate about whether cell phone radiation is harmful. The cell phone industry says it's perfectly fine, but some recent studies suggest extended exposure to radio frequency radiation might increase certain types of cancers and impact the reproductive system. You can lower your exposure by keeping your phone further away from your head and body, and you can do that by using a headset or speaker phone when you make your calls, texting instead of calling, or using a landline instead of your cell phone. In light of this study, all of those recommendations seem especially important if you see only 1 or 2 bars of reception on your phone.